batang mandunong, pagpupugay sa math tagumpay na mathematics online reviews ng grades 1 to 4. Kaya mga bata, huwag kayong aalis, dyan lang kayo. Kasi ako, dito pa rin ako. Mga grade 5 students, handa na ba kayo? Simulan na natin ito. Ipapakilala ko na ang ating teacher presenter ngayong araw. Nagtapos siya ng kanyang kolehiyo sa Marinduque State College. Nag-aral ng master's degree sa University of Makati at kasalukuyang kumukuha ng master's degree sa Eulogio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology. Grade 5 math teacher ng Addition Hills Integrated School. Walang iba kundi si Sir Mark de Guzman.
Marami pong salamat, Ma'am Belsa. Bago tayo magsimula, nais ko po munang batiin ang ating SDS, Dr. Romela M. Cruz, ang ating ASDS, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, ang ating CID Chief, Dr. Alin Mendoza, ang ating SODG Chief, Ma'am Emma Arubio, sa aming napakasipag na Supervisor in Math, Sir Reste Rodelas, sa aming PSDS in charge, Ma'am Marby Duran, at sa aming bagong ina sa AHIS, at napaka-active na principal, Miss Gigi Bulanday, at sa aming napakasipag at napakabait na ASTPN Elementary, Ma'am Elea Solomon, ganun na din sa ASTPN Secondary, Sir Gilbert S. Mateja. Sa aming masipag na Math Coordinator in Elementary, Sir Mario Saraos, sa lahat ng guro sa Mandaluyong, lalo na sa Addition Hills Integrated School, sa aming mga magulang na walang humpay ang pagsuporta sa mga batang mandunong, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Samahan ninyo ko para pag-aralan ang CLAID Module sa Math 5 Week 4. Halina't mag-aral, mga batang mandunong, upang mas madagdagan ang ating kaalaman sa matematika. Bago tayo magsimula, huwag nating kalimutan ang healthy protocols. Magsuot ng face shield at face mask pag tayo lalabas at ugaliin lagi maghugas ng kamay. Our objective for today are multiplies decimal up to 2 decimal places by 1 to 2 digit whole numbers. Multiply decimals with factors up to 2 decimal places. Let's see if you still remember the lesson last week. Direction: find the sum and choose the letter of the correct answer. 245,000 plus 231,000. What is the answer? Is it A or B? Correct. The answer is letter A. 245,000 plus 231,000 is equals to 476,000. Good job! Find the sum of 12 and 15 hundreds, 534,000, and 4 tenths. Choose the letter of the correct answer. The answer is letter A, 13 and 84 thousandths. This time, we're going to find the difference. Again, choose the letter of the correct answer. 7 and 875 thousandths minus 6 and 543 thousandths. Okay, let's find the answer. The answer is letter B, 1 and 332 thousandths. Let's find the difference between these two numbers. 72 and 654 thousandths minus 23 and 34 hundredths. Okay, very good. The answer is letter B, 49 and 314 thousandths. Let's answer this problem. Last week, Alexa saved 325 pesos and 75 centavos from her allowance. This week, she saved 436 pesos and 50 centavos. How much did she save for 2 weeks? Remember the steps in solving a problem. Understand the problem, plan, solve, review, and recheck your answer. Now, what is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? The given facts are 325 pesos and 75 centavos and 436 pesos and 50 centavos. What operation to be used? Because the problem is asking for the total savings for 2 weeks, we're going to use addition. And our number sentence is 325 pesos and 75 centavos plus 436 pesos and 50 centavos equals N. Now it's time to solve. 325 pesos and 75 centavos plus 436 pesos and 50 centavos equals 762 pesos and 25 centavos. So the answer is Alexa saved 762 pesos and 25 centavos in 2 weeks. Now, what is decimal? A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fraction part separated by the decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called decimal point. The digits of the following decimal point show a value as smaller than 1. These are the steps in multiplying decimals. First step, multiply as whole numbers, regroup if necessary. So sa first step, para lang tayo nagmumultiply ng whole number. Sa second step naman, count the number of decimal places in the factors para malaman natin kung ilan yung decimal places ng ating product. Lastly, place the decimal point in the product. The decimal place in the product is equals to the total number of the decimal places in the factors. Now, to understand the steps, let us answer this example. Sheena bought apples at 24 pesos and 50 centavos each. How much did she pay for 13 apples? At ngayon naman, i-apply na natin ang steps in multiplying decimals. Yung first step natin is multiplying factors as we multiply whole number. Since ang multiplier natin ay 2 digit, dun muna tayo sa ones place. So, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is equals to 13, carry 1 again. And 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is equals to 7. Then we're going to multiply the tens place. We have 0, 5, 4, and 2. Then add the two products. Bring down 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. Carry 1. And 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So next thing to do is count the number of decimal places in the factors. So we have 2 decimal places. Lastly, place the decimal point in the product. The decimal place in the product is equals to the total number of decimal place in the factors. So kung ilan yung nabilang nating decimal places sa factors, dapat ganun din yung ilalagay nating decimal places sa ating product. So, ilalagay natin ang decimal point between 8 and 5. Now, the answer is Sheena paid 318 pesos and 50 cents for 13 apples. To know more about our topic, let's answer this example. Find the product of A and B. So, in letter A, we have 14 and 6 tenths times 2. 2 times 6 is 12, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 equals 9. And 2 times 1 is 2. Sa sample B naman, I will give you 30 seconds to answer. Just comment down below your answer, and after 30 seconds, we will check it if it's correct. Kaya kunin na ang papel at ballpen. Time starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is 591 and 50 hundreds. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-comment. Maraming salamat sa cooperasyon nyo. Good job. Now, in multiplying with 2 factors up to 2 decimal places, we have the same steps. I-follow nyo lang kanina yung steps. Again, let's have an example. Mario has a rectangular fish pond has a length of 7,500 kilometer and with 2/10 kilometer. What is the area of the fish pond? Ang what is asked natin dito is area of the fish pond. So we are going to multiply the factors. We have 7,500 and 2/10. 2 times 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is equals to 15. Carry 1 again, and 2 times 0 is 0. Bring down 1. Now let us all count the decimal places, and we have 3 decimal places. Pag ang decimal places natin ay sumakto lang sa number of product, maglalagay lang tayo ng 0 before the decimal point. The answer is Mario has a 150,000 kilometer fish pond. Let's answer another example. Find the product of 7,900 and 4/10. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 3 equals to 31. Count the decimal places and put the decimal point in the product. Our answer is 316,000. Again, this example is for you. I will give you 30 seconds to answer. Remember, multiplying decimals, do it in the same way as we multiply whole numbers. The total number of decimal places in the factors should be the number of decimal places in the product, counting from right to left. Add 0 or zeros when needed. Now, if you really understand our lesson, let's try to answer the following. Find the product of given number. You only have 10 seconds to answer each number. So, let's start. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. That's all for today. I hope you learn a lot. Muli, ako si Sir Mark de Guzman, lamang ang may alam. Paalam!